What if the tools we create become smarter than us? An alarming thought, isn't it? But don't fret, because that's what we're going to journey into, the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI, as it's more commonly known. Let's rewind a bit to the early stages. Picture the mid-20th century when the concept of AI was introduced. It was an idea that sparked both excitement and fear. Excitement because the prospect of creating machines that could mimic human intelligence was as thrilling as it was groundbreaking. Fear, on the other hand, was born out of the unknown, the uncertainty of what these intelligent machines could mean for humanity. Artificial intelligence was largely dismissed as science fiction then, a concept too advanced and intimidating for the time. But isn't it surprising how quickly science fiction becomes reality? Fast forward a few decades and here we are, surrounded by AI in our everyday lives. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to predictive text and search algorithms, AI has woven itself into the fabric of our existence with such subtlety, we often overlook its presence. But how did we get here? The transition wasn't overnight. It was a gradual process, marked by skepticism and resistance. There were debates about the potential risks and benefits, about the ethical implications, and about whether AI could ever truly replicate human intelligence. But as the technology advanced, so did its acceptance. We began to see the potential of AI, not just as a novelty, but as a tool that could revolutionize industries and transform the way we live and work. We started to realize that AI could help us solve complex problems, make sense of vast amounts of data, and even predict future trends. And so AI has moved from the realm of science fiction to an integral part of our everyday lives. It's no longer a distant, intimidating concept, but a reality that we interact with on a daily basis. From simple calculations to complex problem solving, AI has come a long way. But remember, this is just the beginning. The real journey into the world of AI is still ahead of us. The journey of AI is a fascinating one, full of trials, errors, and breakthroughs. Allow me to take you on a whirlwind tour through the annals of tech history, where we'll meet the pioneers, the visionaries, and of course, the machines that brought us to where we are today. Picture this, the year is 1956. Dartmouth College hosts a summer research project, and this is where the term artificial intelligence is coined. The seed of AI is planted and there's no looking back. Fast forward to 1979 and we have the Stanford Cart, the first computer-controlled autonomous vehicle. It's slow, it's clunky, but it's a start, and it lays the groundwork for the self-driving cars we see today. Now, we're in the 90s. The world is getting digitized, and machine learning is on the rise. The computers start learning from data. They're not just following instructions anymore. They're adapting, they're evolving, and they're surprising us all. The year 2011 marks a significant milestone. IBM's Watson wins Jeopardy against two former champions. It's a defining moment, showcasing the potential of AI to understand and respond to complex human language. Now, let's bring it home, the present day. AI is everywhere, from the virtual assistants in our homes to the algorithms that curate our online shopping experiences. AI has permeated every facet of our lives. We're living in the age of AI dominance, where machines can recognize faces, understand speech, even create art. Yes, the journey of AI has been a roller coaster ride with its fair share of ups and downs, but through it all, one thing remains constant: the human spirit of innovation and progress. And so here we are. Today, AI is not just a concept, but a reality that is reshaping our world. As we look to the future, one can only wonder, what's next? Scene script. AI isn't just about robots and science labs. It's in our pockets, our homes, and our workplaces. Artificial intelligence has woven itself into the fabric of our everyday lives, often without us even noticing. It's like a silent partner, assisting, guiding, and optimizing our daily routines. Let's take a quick journey through a day in the life of a typical person and see how AI impacts us in subtle yet significant ways. When we wake up, most of us reach out for our smartphones. From the moment we swipe to unlock, AI is at play. It's there in the recommended news articles, the weather updates tailored to our location, and the suggested workout routines based on our health data. As we commute to work or school, AI is busy behind the scenes, optimizing traffic signals to reduce congestion, suggesting the quickest routes on our GPS, and in some cases, even driving our cars for us. At work, AI is helping us become more efficient and productive. It's in the spam filters of our email inboxes, the virtual assistants scheduling our meetings, and the customer service chatbots that handle queries round the clock. And when it's time to unwind, AI has a hand in our entertainment too. Ever wondered how Netflix always seems to know the perfect show for your mood? Or how Spotify creates playlists that feel like they've been curated just for you? That's AI, analyzing our preferences and habits and making recommendations accordingly. Even in healthcare, AI is making strides. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases, suggesting personalized treatment plans, and even predicting potential health risks based on our medical history. As we end our day, our smart homes, powered by AI, adjust the lighting, temperature, and security settings to our preferences. And as we drift off to sleep, our smartwatches monitor our sleep patterns, ready to provide insights when we wake up the next day. AI is silently transforming how we live, work, and play. It's pervasive, it's powerful, and it's here to stay. It's not just about the future anymore. The age of AI is already here, shaping our present in ways we could have only dreamed of a few years ago. AI is only in its infancy. Its potential for the future is both exhilarating and terrifying. As we delve into our crystal ball, we begin to see the possible future scenarios of AI development. Imagine a world where AI has matured. It's a world where AI has become an integral part of our lives, even more so than today. In this world, AI isn't just a tool, it's a partner. We collaborate with AI to solve complex problems, create new technologies, and explore the universe. AI could create new job opportunities, driving innovation across industries. From healthcare to agriculture to space exploration, AI has the potential to revolutionize every sector. It could take over mundane tasks, freeing us to pursue more creative, fulfilling endeavors. But as with any technology, AI isn't without risks. One of the biggest concerns is job displacement. As AI becomes more capable, it could potentially replace human labor in certain sectors. But it's important to remember that every technological revolution has led to the creation of new jobs. We just can't predict what those jobs will be yet. Then there are ethical dilemmas. If an AI makes a decision, who is responsible for the outcome? The AI, its programmer, the person who used it? These questions don't have easy answers, but they're ones we'll need to grapple with as AI continues to evolve. Finally, there's the issue of privacy. With AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data, it could potentially infringe on our privacy. We'll need to establish strict guidelines to ensure AI is used responsibly and ethically. The future of AI is a double-edged sword. On one side, we have the exciting potential of a technology that could redefine our world. On the other, we have the risks and challenges that come with it. But as we've done with every technological advancement, we'll learn to navigate these challenges. The future of AI holds unimaginable possibilities, but also significant challenges. As we continue to explore this brave new world, let's remember to tread thoughtfully, balancing the promise of AI with the responsibility it demands. AI is more than just technology. It's a reflection of our aspirations, our fears, and our humanity. Diving into the depths of artificial intelligence, we find ourselves in a labyrinth of profound impact. To say AI is transforming society is an understatement. It's redefining the way we live, work, and interact. From intelligent virtual assistants that streamline our daily tasks to predictive algorithms that can forecast trends and patterns, AI is a driving force of innovation and progress. But with this power comes a profound responsibility. The ethical and moral implications of AI development are vast and complex. AI doesn't just mirror human intelligence, it can amplify it, and in some cases, even surpass it. This can lead to extraordinary breakthroughs, but it can also raise serious questions. If an AI system makes a decision, who's accountable for the consequences? How do we ensure that AI respects human rights and values? How do we prevent it from being misused or manipulated for harmful purposes? AI is no magic wand. It's a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or ill. The power of AI doesn't lie in the code or algorithms, it lies in the hands of those who wield it. Developers, policymakers, and society as a whole have a shared responsibility to guide the development and use of AI. This means not just maximizing its benefits, but also anticipating and mitigating potential risks and challenges. Ensuring the ethical use of AI is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing commitment. It requires constant vigilance, open dialogue, and a willingness to challenge our assumptions and biases. It demands that we strike a balance between innovation and regulation, between progress and precaution, between the possible and the permissible. In this brave new world of AI, we're not just building machines, we're shaping the future of humanity. And that's a responsibility we must take seriously. AI is a tool, and like any tool, its impact on the world depends on how we choose to use it.